When I'm in my car, I just want to put my phone away. I just can't touch it. Like, I want silence. I don't even want people to chit chat with me. So, like, this is just. Thankfully, I'm not driving. Otherwise, I'd be quiet.
My lord, at least if I'm driving, she's chatting with me.
Yeah.
Thanks for that, for making the exception. The beads in her design scream rainbows and sunshine, while her attention to detail screams sophistication and luxury. Whether it's creators, actors, or celebrities from all walks of life, she's a hit with all of them. Hey guys, I'm Janice Sequeira. This is Nexa on the road. I'm driving around in the Phantom Black by Grand Vitara, and right now we're going to go hang out with Shubhika Sharma. What do you think? By the way, I got this sexy Phantom Black by Grand Vitara to pick you up.
One of the only 2 black that I own. Only to compliment your car.
Thank you. I promise
love
it's going to be a lovely ride. Come, let's go for a ride. Shubhika Sharma, welcome to Nexa on the road. How's it going?
I love the fact that this is the only time it's rained while you've been in the car.
Yeah, you brought a change of weather, man.
Yeah.
Do you like driving around in the rains?
I love driving around the rains.
Should I put on our front row ventilated
Temperature
seats?
is perfect.
Do you like that?
Oh
I'm also gonna use it,
wow, I
yeah.
can feel that.
Nice, right?
That's nice.
Congratulations on all the lovely, amazing things that have been happening with your brand. But I feel like the one question I've always wanted to ask you is, why did you call your brand Papa Don't Preach?
You know, ever since I was really little, I had so many emotions, which I still do. And I always imagined how lovely it would be if I had a background score. So that is why when I was naming my brand, I knew it had to come from music, because it just kind of gives a background score to my brand 24/7. So it's Madonna's song.
Yeah.
Like the energy, it's so like rebellious, and it's like, you know, don't tell me what to do. I've got my shit together. Just like give me your blessings and, you know, send me on my way.
Yours is such a distinctive way of making clothes. I feel like your colors, your sequins, the sunshine and rainbow that's coming out of the outfits. Has it been a boon?
100%. I think we are trying to be designers in a country that is just so rich with textiles, and everybody has access to such beautiful workmanship because we live in India. So the fact that my brand can actually stand out amidst that and be distinctive is definitely a big boon.
But according to you, what is something that you think will never go out of style?
Anything that is handmade, hand embroidered, hand stitched. So I would think like an embroidered, just a bralette or a top or a corset, a sari. These are things that are timeless.
Yeah. My game segment is actually about trends.
Okay.
So I'm going to read out a bunch of trends and you have to tell me whether you think they're hot or not. Funnel neck jackets.
I think hot.
High socks with your sneakers or
Hot
heels.
for sure. I've been doing it for years in all my campaigns. I love it.
Ballet flats.
Hot. Simply because it's comfortable and cute, yeah.
Athleisure as daily wear.
Definitely not. I really do not like it. I feel like it's extremely lazy.
Innerwear as outerwear.
Hot.
Of all the things that you do, by the way, what is the one that exhausts you the most?
Fashion week. To do it well, it has to be like a presentation. It needs to be theatrical and dramatic and like just beautiful, and that requires a lot, like from the music to the set to the getting the right models and the choreography. It's a lot.
Shubhika, best of luck for your show. This has been a pleasure. Did you enjoy our drive?
I really did, and you're so good.
But best of luck for your show. I know you're going to kill it, and I can't wait to see what you come
I
up
hope
with.
you're there. Even I'm excited to
Are you
see what I
inviting
come
me?
up with. Yes, I'm inviting you.